We're gonna make with this bevel here, super sexy, slow roasted pork belly. Take my knife. So once again, trusty Benchmade meat crafter. Put it right in the middle here. Oh, look at that. We're gonna cut these into about 1/4 inch strips. So, kind of about that thick. Okay. Bam. That's all the pork belly cut up. First parts of the marinade, soy sauce, sweet soy sauce. This is key. It's gonna make everything kind of, all the flavors kind of caramelize to the outside of it. Weird, a little bit of cumin, not much. A little bit. My favorite, little Goya. A whole bunch of minced garlic. Last but not least, some hot peppers. These are jalapenos. If you had Thai chilies, it's even better, but that's what I got. That's what we're doing. All you want to do now, we're gonna mix all this together, bag it. You can vacuum seal it, throw in a Ziploc bag. We're gonna let it marinate for 2 days. 2 days. And then we're gonna slow cook this bitch. It's gonna be fantastic. I'll see you in 2 days. Now that our pork has been marinated for 2 days, I know people comment when I slap the meat, so I'm gonna keep slapping that shit. Anyway, so we're gonna put on trays. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slow cook it at about 220, 250 degrees, depends. And then flip it every 30 minutes. So essentially what we're doing is we're letting the fat render and then we're cooking it in the fat. We're gonna put all on a tray like this and throw it in the oven. Let's do it. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Look at that shit. Let's flip it. We're back. Just like that, we're done. Took about 2.5 hours. I flip them every 45 minutes because, you know, I got 2 kids and they don't care what your plans are. They just want all your attention, so. But look at it. Golden brown, beautiful, sexy, fatty, crispy deliciousness. Oh, it should be illegal. It's so delicious. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'm out.